How do I copy a string to the clipboard? I'm trying to make a basic Windows application that builds a string out of user input and then adds it to the clipboard. How do I copy a string to the clipboard using Python?
Actually, Pywin32 and C-types seem to be an overkill for this simple task. Tkinter is a cross-platform GUI framework which ships with Python by default and has clipboard accessing methods along with other cool stuff. If all you need is to put some text to system clipboard, this will do it. And that's all, no need to mess around with platform-specific third-party libraries. If you are using Python 2, replace Tkinter with Tkinter.
I didn't have a solution, just a workaround. Windows Vista Onwards has an inbuilt command called clip that takes the output of a command from command line and puts it into the clipboard. For example, ipconfig clip. So I made a function with the OS module which takes a string and adds it to the clipboard using the inbuilt Windows solution. As previously noted in the comments, however, one downside to this approach is that the echo command automatically adds a new line to the end of your text. To avoid this, you can use a modified version of the command. If you are using Windows XP, it will work just following the steps in copy and paste from Windows XP Pro's command prompt straight to the clipboard.
You can use Paperclip, cross-platform clipboard module. Or Xerox, similar module, except requires the Win32 Python module to work on Windows.
You can use the excellent Pandas, which has a built-in clipboard support, but you need to pass through a data frame.
Students are